Today, I want to talk about the earthquakes in the Philippines, what's happening, and why it feels like they never stop. Here's the simple truth. The Philippines sits on the Ring of Fire. It's a giant horseshoe-shaped belt around the Pacific Ocean where most of the world's earthquakes and volcanoes happen. If Earth had a heartbeat, the Ring of Fire would be the drum. Under the Philippines, tectonic plates are crashing, sliding, and diving. Imagine massive slabs of Earth's crust moving like slow conveyor belts. To the east, the Philippine Sea Plate dives beneath the islands along the Philippine Trench. To the west, the Sunda Plate dips under along the Manila Trench. And cutting right through the country is the Philippine Fault, like a long, jagged zipper that sometimes rips open. When plates dive down, rocks bend and snap. That sudden snap, that's an earthquake. It releases energy that shakes cities, mountains, and coastlines. The Philippines gets thousands of quakes a year, most tiny, some strong, because it's squeezed from both sides and sliced through the middle. Volcanoes are part of the same story. Subduction melts rock into magma, which rises and builds volcanoes, like Mayon and Taal. Earthquakes often cluster around these systems because the ground is constantly adjusting. Why here, and why so often? Location. The country straddles multiple plate boundaries. It's not one fault or one trench. It's a whole network. Think of it like living at the intersection of busy highways. More traffic, more chances of a crash. Can we predict earthquakes? Not exactly. Scientists can map faults, track tiny tremors, and estimate probabilities, but they can't say a big one tomorrow at 3 p.m. What they can do is build better maps, codes, and warnings. So what actually helps? Strong building codes, and following them. Early earthquake warnings that buy a few seconds to duck and cover. Retrofitting old schools, hospitals, community drills so your body knows what to do before your brain catches up. If you feel shaking, drop, cover, hold on, stay away from windows. If you're near the coast after a strong, long quake, move to higher ground in case of tsunami. Here's the hopeful part. Countries on the Ring of Fire live with earthquakes and thrive by preparing smart. The science is clear, the risk is real, but action saves lives. The Philippines isn't unlucky, it's positioned on one of Earth's most powerful engines. That engine shapes islands, fuels volcanoes, and yes, shakes the ground. Understanding it is the first step to living safely with it. Stay informed. Secure your space. Practice the drill. That's how we turn fear into readiness.